What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So finally, the moment we have been waiting for. VoltiChange is now live. Salute to the entire Volt Army for holding it down. We've been waiting for this moment. We've been calling these plays to the T when it comes to the technical analysis. We've seen the price correct exactly where we called it, right around that 1850 level. And now we got VoltiChange here, which is here to vote the space even further. So now let's see what we actually got. I'm already here. I took the the liberty already logging on. I'm using a wallet, a brand new wallet, so don't try to hack it or anything. It's a fake wallet, but this is what it looks like when you first come to the website, VoltiChange.com. All you have to do is click Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, whichever one of these wallets you're using, whichever method you use to connect to Uniswap or pancakeswap or PoolCoin or something like that. Do the same thing to connect here. So we're already connected, so now you can see you can use this just as you would Uniswap. This is basically a wrapped version of VoltiChange's exchange around Uniswap, allowing you to basically trade any token that is launched and provided with liquidity to the Uniswap exchange. So that means any ERC20 token as well as BEP tokens as well. So, either side you can get, and also you can trade either token. Is cross-chain. So let's say you wanted to swap an Ethereum token for a BNB token, you can do that as well. Now we see we got a few features on here, so let's break this down. Again, the website is VoltiChange.com. We can see we have the swap function or feature, then we got the limit order feature. This is what I'm very excited for this to go live. Here we see it's not live yet, but Vitoshi said there will be multiple updates as he releases new features and builds up more hype and just value around VoltiChange. So this is going to attract a lot of people who like trading. It's going to give us that first time ever in the crypto space ability to be able to set buy orders and sell orders on low cap meme coins. Some projects have done this, as tokens enter a higher level, as they start to get entered or listed on central exchanges. But no one's doing this for tokens that, just was listed, yesterday or today. So that's very, very bullish. Then we got the peer-to-peer function, which will allow you to send cryptocurrency directly to another user. All they have to do is use VoltiChange, and they'll be able to receive cryptocurrency directly to their wallet. So similar, I look at it like a version of Cash App or PayPal or, one of those like a Zelle or something like that. But here you can see all you have to do is type in, let's say you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth of VoltInu. You just type in 1 Ethereum and you can see it will pop up the amount of Volt that you'll get here, and then you'll just click to approve the process as you would with any other exchange. Now you have to possibly adjust for slippage around 13 to around 15%, I believe, but we know that a percentage of it is being burned. So every single transaction that takes place on VoltiChange will burn 0.25% of the token being traded, as well as 0.25% of VoltInu as well. So making every single project traded on it deflationary. This is going to, attract a lot of new projects. So when you see a new project say, hey, we're now available to be traded on Uniswap, they're going to also be talking about VoltiChange as well, because this is going to help them more than their investors trading on, just a regular decentralized exchange. None of those are making cryptocurrencies deflationary. So this is very, very bullish for the space. I believe people will, as we pick up volume on VoltiChange, people will realize the value that, Vitoshi actually created with this. But I'm telling y'all, this is a supreme feature that we've been needing in the space, especially as a day trader. Because there's a lot of projects that you might have wanted to get in on that's a low cap meme coin, but maybe you were watching a chart and it just launched and you wanted to wait for a pullback, but you missed the pullback because you had other things to do. Maybe you weren't able to sit in front of the chart all day, and if you had the ability to set a limit order at a certain price to scoop up some, if you said I assume the price will pull back to this level, just like we seen here yesterday, we seen the price up in this range, we called it pulling back to around this 1850 level is where I called it in yesterday's video. And you see we got it pulled back slightly a little bit below that. Remember, I'll always tell y'all to give or take a little bit, because other traders understand this information as well, and they'll look at the chart and possibly pull those levels a little further, or pivot a little before. But things are are looking good right now. But let's say if you wanted to trade this as, let's say it wasn't VoltiChange, but we're just looking at a chart of a newly launched coin, you could say, I wanted to wait for that pullback, and you could set limit orders at this level now and scoop it up, instead of having to, just wait until that price pullback for you. So very excited feature. Go use VoltiChange, website VoltiChange.com. The link will be in the description section of this video. Man, that's all we got right now. We will be having some more, news, trading some other projects as well, using this, going a little further into depth on, the transactions and whatnot. But yeah, we got to tell everybody we know, man, use VoltiChange. If you know a new project that you're in that they could use a reduction in circulating supply, use VoltiChange. Tell the project devs about VoltiChange, and once they find out about it, once they do their due diligence, trust me, they'll be more than likely to want to. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.